Champion, campione, if you are looking to live an empowered life, then the Arise and Shine Champion 40-day transformational tool will help you get there. We'll leave a link in the comment section. And yep, with that being said, let us get into today's Triple M Make Monday Matter episode. Sambonani, Tobela, Dumelang, Goeiedag, Nda, Molweni, and good day to all of you campeones, champions out there. And familia, welcome to Triple M Make Monday Matter right here at KINGinme. And champs, if you find yourself in high school, or parents, if you have a child in high school or a child that's going to high school, then this video is most definitely for jou daarso mevrou en meneer. All right, so here we go. In this specific video, we are going to be discussing one success tip. Come on, one success tip for high schoolers. So I want to talk to you guys today briefly about William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare, William Shakespeare. Now, believe it or not, okay, William Shakespeare too was born during a pandemic. Just like maybe you find yourself today, all right? For over a year now, we've been in this pandemic. A lot of uncertainty, a lot of like, what's gonna happen, all right? Is there still a future for me, and so forth, okay? William Shakespeare too was born during a pandemic. In fact, when he was 28 years of age, they'd actually closed the theaters, which was a financial problem for William Shakespeare. But nonetheless, he made the most of the situation. He was able to adapt all right, he was able to adapt to the circumstance, and during his lockdown, all right, he actually wrote Macbeth and many other incredible plays, all right, that have influenced society, okay? So think about your own life. Yes, you find yourself in a pandemic, all right? Yes, maybe things didn't turn out the way you wanted them to turn out and so forth, okay? But fam, listen, that does not take away the reality and the truth that you are blessed. That you are blessed with incredible amounts of talent and gifts and potential within you. And when that potential gets connected to true power, who is Christ Jesus, fam, we can change the whole world. We can transform the whole world. All right? So we need to learn to maximize what we have been blessed with. We need to learn to maximize these incredible talents and gifts and the time that the creator of the universe, God our Father, has given unto us. All right? And something that I learned from my wife, something that she shared with me is sometimes, and I'm just paraphrasing, but sometimes what we tend to do as people, we're like, oh, if only I have what that person has. All right? Or if only I had what this person had. Well, fam, listen, you have what you have. All right? You have what you have. And you've got value. You've got purpose. You've got destiny on the inside of you. So let's use it to the glory of God. Let's use it to inspire, to impact, to influence, and transform the world around us to the glory of God as we work with God, as we co-labor with God. Let us use what we have, because when we can learn to make decisions with precision, based on God's vision and not selfish ambition, then fam, we will be able to make it through any condition. God said it first. We can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. Whether it's a pandemic, we can make it through Christ who strengthens us. Whether there's no pandemic, we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. Allow God to strengthen you and allow God to help you to use that which He has blessed you with. Fam, that is that for today. Go ahead and hit that like button if you have found somewhat of value. Consider subscribing, share this video far and wide. And fam, let's use what we have. And just know today, namhlanje Guti, your voice matters.